Speculation about the existence of aliens has fascinated people for decades, with some even believing that extraterrestrials might already be living among us. This idea is not just a product of science fiction movies like Men in Black, where aliens secretly coexist with humans on Earth, but has gained some attention in recent scientific discussions. A recent study conducted by Harvard researchers suggests that aliens could have integrated into human life without being detected. Though this study has not been peer-reviewed and remains speculative, it aims to open up new discussions about the possibility of alien life on Earth. The study presents three main theories about how aliens might already be living here. The first theory proposes that aliens could be interstellar travelers, meaning they originate from another planet or even a different time. These beings have found ways to travel vast distances or through time and have decided to settle on Earth, blending into human society or living in secret. The second theory suggests that aliens may not have come from another world but could have evolved separately on Earth itself. These life forms could have developed in isolated environments, hidden from human detection. Whether they evolved deep within the ocean, in caves, or in remote wilderness areas, these creatures may have escaped human notice due to their secretive nature. The third theory is that aliens could belong to an ancient civilization that survived extinction events that wiped out other forms of life on Earth. According to this theory, these advanced beings might have gone underground or developed technology that allows them to live in hidden places, avoiding contact with humans. They could have advanced far beyond current human technology, making them nearly impossible to detect. The study also explores where these aliens might be living if they are already on Earth. Some researchers suggest that aliens could be residing in secret underground bases, deep under the surface where humans rarely go. These bases could be located in remote, uninhabited areas like deserts, dense forests, or deep underwater environments, making it difficult for humans to discover them. One area that's been linked to mysterious phenomena is the Alaskan Triangle, which stretches between Anchorage, Juneau, and Barrow. Like the Bermuda Triangle, the Alaskan Triangle is associated with unexplained disappearances of ships, aircraft, and people. Some researchers and UFO enthusiasts believe that these unexplained events might be connected to alien activity. The theory suggests that the Alaskan Triangle could be a place where extraterrestrial beings have a hidden base, or even use as a gateway to and from Earth. While the recent study by Harvard researchers has brought this speculation into the spotlight, it's important to note, however, that this study has not undergone peer review, meaning that other scientists have not yet verified or evaluated the research in detail. The study is speculative in nature, and its authors are not claiming that they have proof of aliens living on Earth. Instead, their primary goal is to encourage open-minded discussions on the subject. They aim to explore possibilities and expand how we think about extraterrestrial life, rather than disrupt the current scientific understanding of biology and astronomy. This approach mirrors the growing interest in UFOs and UAPs, which have captured public imagination in recent years. By tapping into this increasing fascination, the researchers hope to bring attention to the broader question: if aliens do exist, where are they? And how might they interact with humanity? The discussion about UFOs is not new. For decades, people have reported seeing strange, unidentified objects in the sky. Perhaps the most significant sources of these reports come from military pilots. Many pilots, especially during the mid-20th century, have encountered objects flying at high speeds, making sudden movements, or displaying behaviors that could not be explained by known aircraft technology. These sightings, many of which were officially documented by the military, led to several government investigations aimed at uncovering the truth behind these mysterious aerial phenomena. In the early days, these unexplained objects were mostly referred to as UFOs. However, the term UFO often came with a stigma, as it was heavily associated with conspiracy theories and science fiction. To distance themselves from these associations and focus on legitimate research, officials and scientists started using the term unidentified anomalous phenomena, The term UAP covers a broader range of strange occurrences, not just flying objects, and it helps frame these phenomena in a more scientific context, rather than immediately jumping to conclusions about alien spacecraft. One of the most famous UFO incidents that has fueled decades of speculation about alien life is the 1947 Roswell incident. In this case, reports of a crashed flying saucer in Roswell, New Mexico led to widespread rumors that the U.S. government had discovered alien life and was hiding the evidence from the public. Though it was later revealed to be part of a secret military project known as Project Mogul, the Roswell incident remains a key moment in shaping public perception of UFOs and extraterrestrial life. Government involvement in UFO research has often been a source of controversy and suspicion. For many years, governments, especially in the U.S., have been accused of covering up evidence related to UFO sightings. Conspiracy theories have flourished, with some people convinced that their governments have encountered alien life but refuse to share this information with the public. One example of this is Project Mogul, which was originally linked to the Roswell incident. In the 1990s, the U.S. government admitted that the strange debris found near Roswell in 1947 was part of a top-secret balloon operation designed to detect Soviet nuclear tests, not a crashed alien spacecraft. However, this admission came decades after the event, by which time the idea of a government cover-up had already taken root in the minds of many. This has contributed to a general sense of distrust regarding official statements on UFOs and extraterrestrial life. Such secrecy has made it difficult for the public to fully trust government agencies when it comes to UFO research. Even with more recent efforts to study UAPs transparently, many people remain skeptical, believing that key information is still being withheld from the public. While speculation about aliens living among us may be exciting, the scientific community takes a more cautious and evidence-based approach. NASA, the U.S. space agency, has been at the forefront of efforts to explore the possibility of extraterrestrial life. But its focus has primarily been on places beyond Earth. NASA's Mars rover missions, for example, aim to determine whether life once existed on the red planet by studying its surface for signs of water and organic compounds. Similarly, lunar probes and other space missions are designed to explore the conditions on other planets and moons to see if life could potentially thrive there. When it comes to UAP research, NASA has taken a data-driven approach. The agency's begun studying UAP sightings through a scientific lens, using technology and evidence rather than jumping to conclusions. For example, they're examining radar data, satellite imagery, and other types of scientific instruments to analyze these unexpected phenomena. The goal is to gather enough information to determine whether UAP sightings have natural explanations, such as weather phenomena, or if they might suggest something more unusual, possibly even extraterrestrial in origin. Scientists generally maintain a healthy degree of skepticism when it comes to claims of alien life. While the possibility of extraterrestrial beings is not ruled out, the current scientific consensus is that more evidence is needed before drawing any definitive conclusions. At the same time, scientists also encourage curiosity and exploration. After all, the discovery of even microbial life on another planet would be a monumental breakthrough, completely changing our understanding of life in the universe. As more studies on UFOs and UAPs come to light, the challenge lies in balancing skepticism with an open mind. While skepticism is important in maintaining scientific rigor, there's also value in considering unconventional possibilities, as this can lead to new discoveries. Harvard's speculative study on aliens living among humans may not be grounded in solid evidence, but it does raise important questions about how we think about life beyond Earth. The rise in public interest in UFOs and UAPs is also forcing governments and scientific organizations to take these reports more seriously. In recent years, the U.S. government has released previously classified footage of UAP encounters, and official investigations into these phenomena are becoming more transparent. The U.S. Congress has even held hearings on UAPs, with some military and intelligence officials admitting that certain cases remain unexplained. One notable example is David Grush, a former U.S. intelligence officer. Grush alleged that the U.S. government is in possession of UFO wreckage and even alien bodies, sparking widespread speculation and debate. One theory suggests that human cryptoterrestrials, an ancient and advanced human civilization, may have survived and now lives secretly among us. Another theory speculates that non-human intelligent beings, possibly prehistoric, evolved alongside humans but have remained undetected. A more futuristic idea is that aliens from the future, or even future human civilizations, might be living on Earth today without revealing their presence. There's also a mystical theory, comparing these beings to mythical creatures like fairies or elves, blending folklore with alien presence theories. Despite these intriguing ideas, scientific skepticism remains strong. Many experts question how such beings could remain hidden for so long without leaving more concrete evidence. Additionally, many UAP sightings likely have natural explanations, such as weather events or other atmospheric phenomena. Historically, there have been instances where electrical phenomena, like sprites' bright flashes of light, were mistaken for UFOs. Today, scientists have debunked such sightings with scientific knowledge. For example, sprites and other electrical events are now understood as natural phenomena, showing how easily people can misinterpret what they see. While natural explanations for UAPs can be disappointing for those hoping for proof of aliens, they still contribute valuable new knowledge about our world and universe. Well, we can say while skepticism is crucial, maintaining curiosity is important. Ongoing research into UAPs is necessary to explore the unknown, and the possibility of future discoveries that could change how we understand life in the universe remains exciting. And if you want to know more about aliens, don't forget to watch our video on alien artifacts on Mars. See you in the next one. Bye.